This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We got Alex in here with us this morning, all the way down here from Chicago, Illinois.
Yes, sir.
Alex is a self-admitted Chicago crack addict. He's been watching our videos for years now, right?
Yeah, 4 years.
4 years now. And now you're here. You got your mom here in town.
Yeah, I can't visit my mom. Let me go see the man.
Get the real ring dinger. Alex comes in complaining of upper thoracic pain and stiffness, right shoulder pain and stiffness. He's a pitcher, by the way, baseball pitcher. Not the pitcher, the bartender. Neck pain and stiffness, primarily down that lower neck. He does get headaches though, about once a week. He has low back pain and right sciatica leg pain down into his right hamstring. He gets paresthesia, which is numbness and tingling down into his L5 and S1 dermatomes, down into his both legs. Right knee pain, this anterior dislocation. He does get muscle spasms and cramps in his lumbar spine. And just on the examination here, we felt a lot of fibrotic adhesions develop down in his L5, L4, and L5 region paraspinal muscles, which has developed over time from his body trying to hold him in a correct biomechanical position while he's doing his athletic activities, and it's not winning.
No.
It's working overtime, and that creates fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue development because it's abnormal function of those joints. No loss of bladder valve function or no foot drop. So he's cleared on pathology to get adjusted here with these techniques. And we checked his posture, but I want to show you again. Let's have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards again now, Alex. And then back to neutral. So you can tell he's a side sleeper because his head's forward in his posture. His head's tilted off to the left but turned to the right. I bet he sleeps like that most of the time. Is that about right, Alex?
Yeah, that's exactly.
Take a look in the mirror now. He has less room on this left side than he does over here on this right side between his pelvis and his arm. So that's a translation of the pelvis on the x-axis, positive SX pelvis. And after the adjustment, if you look at these, you should see that leveling out and getting more balanced after the adjustment. So we always do pre and post. Yeah, his arms are different lengths because his head's translated left, tilted right, but turned left. Okay, we've already done his palpatory exam and orthoneuro test, so we're going to lay you on your tummy first here and do your first adjustments on the BioPhysics table. Now his right leg's short by 1/2 inch in this prone position. I bring his legs up, it gets even, and that tightens up in your low back on that right side, doesn't it, Alex?
Yes, sir.
So that's a positive Deerfield and a positive Nautilus down the lumbosacral spine. And right here, great big old knot. Boy,
Yeah.
feels like a cue ball in there. I was gonna say golf ball, but it's bigger than that. So that's fibrotic tissue that has developed from just long-term stress of trying to hold those motor units together. He's got tightness all the way up into his lower thoracic spine. And when I did his Nautilus test previously, when I brought his legs up and then did the sacral deviation test, he cramped up here in his thoracic spine region too, huh?
Yeah.
So he's got multiple thoracic spine and ribcage subluxations. He's got about 3 subluxations up in his cervical spine that we're going to adjust. So I'm going to start off with his pelvis. There it is. Some of these will be a little sore at first, Alex. They've been out for a while. Oh, I hope I drop that. There it is. That's what I want. More depth. I want to make sure you get the full meal deal on your first visit.
Yeah, that felt good.
Legs are now even. See, this should feel easier, but you tell me.
That's less.
Less tight?
Yeah.
Good. You gonna feel your head popping up next?
Sir?
You're gonna feel your head popping up next. Yes, sir. Okay, let's turn you on your back, please.
Oh, man.
A little deeper in person, huh? Yes, sir, just like that. Good. Bring your whole head up and over your spine. Yep. Okay, now put both arms straight out sideways for me, palms up. Both shoulders, clavicles, and anterior ribs here. Yep. You can relax your hips right there. Let this right leg go like a limp rag for me. There we go. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back. Did you?
Yeah, I see your videos.
Did you feel that all the way up to your lower back when I pulled?
Yeah, I kind of felt it here.
Okay, let go. There we go. That one too?
Yeah.
Good deal. We'll sit you up, face that way for a moment. I'm gonna adjust his pitching arm. Shoulders that hurt?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. You knock them out, we line them up. Yes. Very nice. Here, let me have it though. Don't fight me too big for me.
Yeah, yeah.
Like.
Usually fight it.
Fight the adjustments.
Natural, yeah.
Okay, let this go. There we go. I'm a natural born fighter too. Come on, it's just different things. We're gonna lay you on your back on this table now, Alex. Butt there, head up this way. Yes, sir. Let your legs just relax. The table's gonna lift them up. You gonna be down here all week?
Yeah, we're having a grand opening at the restaurant. So
Oh, cool. Which restaurant?
it's a Thai cuisine, ramen king out of Katy.
Okay.
So if you guys are near,
Is that your mom's
it's
or?
good food. Yeah, my mom and my uncle.
No, cool. What's the name of it again?
It's Thai cuisine, ramen king.
Okay. Yep, get you in there good and tight. You don't get away. On this one, Alex, you just want to keep your teeth together. Don't bite your tongue. Breathe through your nose. Wiggle your left ear for me. Yes, sir. Good job relaxing for your first ring there. And looky there, you're still kicking. Tilt left. I got you. Yes, sir. Boy, oh boy, you let me have those.
Yeah.
That was perfect first adjustment. I do say so myself.
Yeah, felt good.
Yes, sir.
Probably need some more though, right? Because
You may. If you've been out as long as I think you've been out, then you probably do with a
that's
couple.
why I've been watching you 4 years.
Yeah. I'm gonna stay. I'm still not done with you yet. I'm still gonna shoot you. Use this instrument. It's gonna relax your paraspinal muscles.
All right.
Well, look already.
Oh yeah.
See, it's already changing. All right, now show your homework. Shoulders up and back. Yep. And then we're gonna bring that head. Gotta keep those shoulders up and back. Head back this way, then like this. You're gonna feel a little tap on your atlas there. And there, shift your pelvis to the right now. No, shift straight side. There you go. Put you in a mirror image all the way down. Now relax. Try going forward and backwards again, Alex. See how this feels compared to the last time.
Way better.
Look in the mirror now. Look how much that opened up.
Oh yeah.
You see the difference?
Yeah.
And let your arms just hang so the YouTube viewers can see it too.
Oh wow.
Balanced out now. Now you've been adjusted before, you told me. How would you describe to our YouTube viewers how this adjustment, this unique trademarked adjustment is different from what you've experienced previously?
It's way different. I felt right away when you were pushing on my back. I felt the
the
adjustment.
deepness, yeah.
Probably because you're strong.
Well, that too.
Guys I had it, I didn't feel anything really.
Yeah.
I could tell the difference.
Oh yeah. Not only can you feel the difference, you can
No, I feel-
visibly
I
see the
feel it,
difference,
yeah.
huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you already knew right away when you were touching it?
Yeah, where it was out, huh? Well, a good chiropractor should be able to tell you where you're having the problem, not the other way around.
Right.
So, that's the way Dr. Wendt and I do
Appreciate
things.
it.
Well, it's our pleasure. Thank you for sharing your experience with everyone today. To tell your mom good luck on her new restaurant.
Yeah, you guys come by.
Yeah, I love Thai food. She has spicy Thai. I love spicy Thai.
It ain't Thai, man, it's spicy.
That's right. That's exactly right. Well, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, with Alex from Chicago, Illinois. We'll see y'all soon.